Alright, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can stream on Kick. It's very easy on how you can stream on it, and you need this one software called OBS. Just simply go to Google and just have your Kick loaded in, but what you have to do is just simply type in OBS and download OBS. It's gonna be used for your stream. So if you're on Windows, just simply press on Windows. If you are on Mac OS, just download that. Now once OBS is downloaded, it should look something like this. Now you got many options over here depending on what kind of settings you want to do, but I'm just gonna basically show you how you can start it. First up, you need to go to settings, and inside settings you need to go to stream and make sure you switch the service to custom. And right over here inside server, you need to put in the server key of your Kick. So I cannot open Kick because I'm recording, but you know, if you go to your creator dashboard and copy your server link, you gotta put in your server and then your server key. Once you've done that, just simply press apply and then just start streaming. Just simply press on start streaming option and you're good to go. And that's basically it on how you can start streaming on Kick. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.